Good morning, friends. It is early. I don't have a face on, so ignore that. It's Sunday morning, 7:30, and I've been up for an hour for some reason. No reason, really. But I figured, let's try and vlog today. We'll see how that goes, but I'm about to make my kid some breakfast. He's already calling for me. I hope I can get some stuff done today, take you along, get some steaming, photographing, and maybe listing done. And yeah, let's just vlog today. Let's just try it out. So I figured when I'm making breakfast, let me just chit-chat to you a little bit. I hope that works out because he's already in his way in here, and like I have no privacy anymore. Yeah, he's very attached to me, so I cannot be in a room by myself apparently. But I wanted to give you guys a quick update on what's been going on with me, just in terms of reselling.
I don't know how to detach.
He does know how to detach. I really hope that got on there. He does not know how to detach, but he knows the word. Anyway, so reselling has been rough, I'm not gonna lie. Work has been really busy, like my main actual real full-time job where I get a salary and benefits. So I've just been spreading myself really thin between work and motherhood and, you know, trying to motherhood. Yeah, that's me taking care of all your whimsies. Babies, yeah, just you. So it's been real crazy, and I've just been very exhausted. Sales have been really slow, which is probably partially a result of, you know, not listing as much and not investing as much time into it because I don't have the time and energy. But I've been trying to list more consistently again, and I've been running some sales. I sent out like 40% offers yesterday on over 80 items in my closet. I think I made like 3 sales where I'm not making a whole lot of money, but at least it's getting things going. And then, yeah, eBay has actually been better for me than Poshmark, which is interesting. And then, of course, I've been trying to pay more attention to Mercari, which I've been meaning to make a video about that, but I honestly don't know where that's going to go, and if it's going to go. I was kind of hoping that the more I list on Mercari, the more I sell. I can make this big video about it, like, oh my god, give Mercari a second chance, but we'll see if that's going to happen. So far I had, I think, 2 or 3 sales on Mercari, and I don't know where I'm at currently with the amount of listings that I've cross-listed to Mercari. Just for reference, I took everything off Mercari, everything that I had still on there. I had kind of stopped cross-listing over there for a while, and so I deleted everything off of Mercari and just started from scratch, just relisting everything. So right now what I'm doing with Vendu is I'm going through and relisting anything that's older than, I want to say 60 days, but it's probably more like 90 days. So relisted on eBay, then relisted on Poshmark, and then also listed to Mercari. So yeah, work smarter, not harder, I guess, but it's still work. Still a lot. It takes time, but I will say having Vendu has made it a lot easier. This is not sponsored, but hey, if you want to sponsor me, sure. So it's been a lot easier with that. So I'm hoping to get some more done today. The weather is kind of gloomy outside, so I don't think we're going to be doing much. We might go out for a little bit later, but aside from that, no big plans other than listing my butt off, and I guess now filming a vlog and making some breakfast right now. Cannot detach.
You see?
I said you cannot detach.
I know that.
Alright guys, we got the hair in some sort of bun that doesn't know what it wants to be. I took my kid out for a little bit. Whoa. And now I have to deal with this mess that I will show you. I'll show you what's on the agenda for today. So here we go. So I have this stuff is listed. This is going to ThreadUp, which I need to sort through that. And some of it is going to the Real. This is from a haul that I recently filmed. I can link it. Yeah. And so is all of this stuff. I have like entirely the equivalent of an entire thread-up shoebox with shoes that are not cleaned, not listed, not photographed, not in that order. But anyway, so I got to deal with that. And then I have this lovely rack full of clothing, which it's like 2-3 pieces are steamed. The rest needs to be steamed. So I'm going to do that first. I have jackets back there that I'm not dealing with right now because they're going to get listed later in the year. Gotta list this Disney blanket up there, this tapestry blanket that I showed in a previous haul. But the problem is I've been, you know, whenever I am photographing lately, I'm just measuring, photographing, listing, and then I just stack it all up over here instead of putting it in bags. So these are already on the next step. But then I haven't been putting the bags in the particular tubs where they need to go. So I feel like I need to do that first because this stuff's just falling over. This is falling over. These shoes are not supposed to be in this box. They're listed. They're supposed to be in their plastic bags and be over there in one of these 2 bins. And I have room in there. It's not like I don't. So I just need to do that first. I have my fan going over there. I don't know why it's turning. It's not supposed to. But it's hot up here. It's like I'm in the attic. And it's like muggy today. It's not super hot, but it's muggy. And so I'm dreading having to steam stuff here shortly. But we're just gonna get it done because it's not gonna get done otherwise. Because I'm a one woman show here. I also have a box of things that needs like minor fixes and mending. I don't even want to look at it, but I need to. So we're just gonna pack all of this stuff up here and put it in bins. And yeah, then we're gonna steam. So I'll see what I can film here, take you along. I don't know how interesting it's gonna be, but it's a vlog, so enjoy the music, work along. I'm gonna put some music on, and so let's get some work done. I'm just gonna say it, I would be a lot more efficient if my kid wasn't interrupting me every 5 minutes because he needs something. Just saying. Just saying. Okay, I cleaned up all the stuff. Let me show you here. Okay, I haven't put these jackets away, but all of this now has room for all of this after it's steamed and photographed, of course. So I'm gonna tackle this thing. Already hate my life because, again, it's a bazillion degrees up here. It's honestly not even that hot, it's just humid. Anyway, I'm listening to Kayla's Brunch. If you're not subscribed to Kayla, you definitely should be. Here she is. Go subscribe to Kayla, Treasures Noir. Can you see her down there? There we go. I will link her, but so I'm listening to her while I'm steaming, and yeah, just take you along. And I'm gonna try not to set off my fire alarm, my smoke detector, because the steam is kind of like going up there where it is. So I'm gonna have to point my fan at it. If you think that's ridiculous, it's not because, well, it is, but it's not because that literally happened before. So we're gonna be doing that. Okay, hi guys. I kind of forgot I was vlogging today. I left my camera running for like probably not an hour, but like longer than when I was actually doing things. I just forgot it was up there. And then I turned it off and I went to actually do things that would have been vlog worthy in a sight for sore eyes not really, but I actually ended up mowing my lawn, which I've never done before. I know it's ridiculous, but I've never lived anywhere where I had to, so that was an experience. I was mostly successful, so that would have been some interesting content, but not reseller related at all. I was listing, I was steaming. I haven't photographed yet, and honestly, I'm not sure if it's going to happen tonight, because it's 1,000,000 degrees and I'm about to turn on my AC up here. It's like a portable window unit and it's really loud. So I don't think I'm going to be filming much where I'm talking, at least. And I don't know. I don't know if I can bring myself to photograph, because after doing this whole lawn mowing thing for probably about an hour, I'm pretty beat. I took a shower. That's what my hair looks like. This. And I have things to ship, because I was actually, I think I mentioned it earlier, running not a sale, but I was sending out offers, and then I did make a few more sales later on today, which is interesting and exciting, and it's about time. So I'm gonna pack these up. I'll see if I can maybe film a little bit of a ship with me, except I won't be talking and I'll just hold up the item and maybe insert a picture of what sold for me. So it's gonna go in that direction and not be a whole like I'm gonna photograph and list. I mean, I'm still gonna list later, but I still have a handful of things I can list that are already photographed, so I don't necessarily need to photograph tonight, but I should. It's almost 9 o'clock, so I'll see how quickly I see how quickly I can get my shipping done and how I'm feeling after that. So if I can maybe snap some pictures of something that's like plain and simple. I kind of wish I would have cleaned the shoes, because that would have been quick pictures, quick listing, but didn't do that. So here we are. Anyway, lighting's horrible. Forgive me. The true vlog experience over here. And also took a shower. I'm sweaty again. I need to change my shirt probably if I'm gonna do photographs. But anyway, Friday's shirt, by the way. Oh, you can barely see that. That's such a bum. Oh, it's my hair. Never mind. It says Fridays. I got that from Roy, Horizon Pics. You should check out his channel and his auctions. If you like graphic tees, I feel like my face is on fire. So I'm gonna turn on this AC and get my shipping done before this gets worse. So yeah, let me put in a new SD card and you can join me and I'll just show you what sold, I guess. Okay guys, real quick, my SD card is telling me I have a minute left, so just in case I don't feel like filming or doing anything else today, sorry, this is my remote from my AC. Just in case, I'm just gonna say goodbye here. If not, I'll just include that footage and you'll have seen it, so I don't even need to talk about that. But I hope you had a little bit of fun coming along with me today. I wish I would have gotten more footage, but that's how it is sometimes. I hope you had a good time. I already said that. And I hope you got some work done as well.